Susunod na po ang Forever Memories. At hanggang alas 4 po yan na madaling araw mapapakinggan. Kaya please like and follow naman po lahat ng social media accounts ko, Lady Gracia, LadyGracia. At kung mga kabarangay, kung di ka naman busy, baka naman like and follow na rin lahat ng social media accounts ng Barangay LS. Search nyo lamang po, Barangay LS 97.1.
Barangay LS
97.1
Forever
Number 1.
Forever Memories. Pakinggan at muli nating balikan mga musika at alaala ng nakaraan. Forever Memories. Forever Memories. Forever Memories. Forever Memories.
Number 1.
Three iconic OPM bands. One unforgettable night of powerhouse performances of OPM legends.
Why don't you tell me where it hurts now, baby?
Ticket One presents three of the country's biggest bands. As they come together for one spectacular show, River Maya, Neo Colors, and MYMP. All hits, just the way you want it. Happening on July 11, 8 p.m. at the Theater at Soler. With their special guest, Geneva Cruz, Lloyd Umali, Wency Cornejo, and comedian John Santos.
Please watch. If you don't want to watch, at least panoorin nyo.
Join us for a night of timeless hits and laughter. Tickets are available at Ticket One and Ticket World, or through online at www.ticketworld.com.ph. Get ready for an OPM concert experience like no other. Brought to you by 91.5 Win Radio. Mapapakinggan kahit saan, kahit kailan.
Makinig sa 91.5 Win Radio. Kahit saan, kahit kailan. Winner! Ugaliing nakatutok sa 91.5 ang inyong FM radio. At sa online, i-download lang ang Win Radio app sa Google Play Store sa inyong Android phone. Mag-e-enjoy ka sa tugtugan, chikahan, tawanan, at balitaan. Hindi mo mamimiss ang aguyan ni na Macho Bibo at Maki Rena sa umaga. Ang mga hugot at banat ni Idol Bigman. Mga payong kaibigan at pag-ibig ni Mama Queen. Showbiz, chika at mga blind items ni Kuya J. At ang sexy nights with Mayora Iska Morena. Win Radio. Mapapakinggan kahit saan, kahit kailan. 91.5 Win Radio. Win Radio. Broadcasting from Mandaluyong City. Wherever you are.
91.5
Win Radio
91.5
Win Radio Win Radio
Number 1.
Kailangan ba bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Kailangan pa 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 bang i-memorize yan? Basic! Love Radio.
Number 1 man na.
Tila Radio. Number 1 naman ang Love Radio.
Numero
Pero una lang siyempre in Love Radio.
Ang Love Radio!
So, this is Radioland.
Sobra na ito mga insan. Grabe na talaga. Mekos-mekos na yan. Nakikinig mo na taxi, mga insan jeep bus, pati grab mga padyak insan tornado, talagang Love Radio. Number 1 pagdating sa radyo. Mekos-mekos na yan. Number 1 sa sakyan insan. Lagyan na yan ng maraming sibuyas.
Sasakyan sikat sa lahat ng terminal. Sa sasakyan sikat, basta Love Radio ang radyo mo. Sa sasakyan sikat sa lahat ng katona mo. Sa sasakyan sikat, basta Love Radio ang radyo mo.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Aliwa! Bauta! Dali na lang gali! Yes!
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Basic!
Love Radio. Music that makes you feel good. Music that makes you feel good. Love Radio. Yes, FM.
Yes, friend, gayahin mo nga to.
Yes, FM!
Ikaw, yes, friend.
Yes, FM.
Konti pa.
Yes, FM! Malapit na!
Yes, FM.
Yes!
Yes, FM.
Yes, FM.
Yes, FM.
Easy Rock.
Remember someone today.
Your relaxing music mix.
Oh, easy.
Easy Rock.
Wish 107.5.
Singing my sadness, singing my joys. You are my radio.
Wish 107.5. We're playing your favorite songs on Moonlight Wishes on Wish 107.5.
Ang init-init, sarap magpalamig. Buksan ang radyo, sa IFM makinig. Parang nag-swimming ang feeling, o kumain ng 2 scoops ng ice cream. Araw man o gabi, basta IFM ako palagi. Cool ang summer ko sa IFM
93.9.
Cool ang summer ko.